Hello friends. I'll show you how to turn a pencil sketch into a logo in this video. Right-click the rectangle tool and choose Star Tool. Simply make one click on the artboard. I type in 3 points since I want a triangle and then click OK. Reposition and scale the triangle. Draw a line using the line tool. Hold down Alt and drag to duplicate lines. Grab the Shape Builder tool now to eliminate extra lines. Done, here is the final result. Thank you for your time. If you found this guide useful, please click the like button and subscribe to see more content similar to this.